Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak English Naturally. I am Jessica. This is a very special, long lesson for A1 beginners. Today, we visit a cafe with friends. Let's start. Tom, hello Anna. Anna, hi Tom. How are you? Tom, I am good. And you? Anna, I am fine. Nice to see you. Tom, nice to see you too. It is time to practice. Repeat after me. Hello Anna. Pause. Hi Tom. Pause. How are you? Pause. Very good. Your pronunciation is important. Tom and Anna want to sit. Anna, let's sit here. Tom, yes, good idea. Finding a good place to sit is important in a busy cafe. Oh look, Maria is here. Maria, hello Anna. Hello Tom. Anna, hi Maria. Tom, hello. How are you? Maria, I am good, thank you. Tom, please sit with us. In English, we say please and thank you many times. It is very polite. When Tom asks Maria to sit, he says please. Remember these magic words. Now they want coffee. Anna, do you want coffee, Maria? Maria, yes, I want coffee. Tom, I go buy coffee. Anna, thank you, Tom. Tom, Anna, what do you want? Anna, I want a cappuccino. Tom, and you, Maria? Maria, I want a latte. Tom, okay. 1 cappuccino and 1 latte. I come back soon. Anna, thank you. Tom is a very good friend. Do you know your coffee? Repeat. Espresso. Pause. Latte. Pause. Cappuccino. Pause. Black coffee. Pause. Excellent. My favorite is a latte. Maria, how is your day, Anna? Anna, my day is good. I am a little tired. Maria, why are you tired? Anna, I wake up early. At 6 a.m. Maria, oh, that is early. I wake up at 9 a.m. Let's practice time. Repeat, 6 a.m. Pause. 9 a.m. Pause. I wake up at. Pause. Telling the time is a vital A1 skill. Tom, I am back. Anna, thank you, Tom. Maria, thank you. Tom, here is your cappuccino, Anna. And your latte, Maria. John, hello everyone. Tom, John. Hello. Anna, hi John. Maria, nice to see you. John, nice to see you too. Tom, sit with us. John, thank you. Anna, do you want coffee, John? John, yes, please. How do we describe people? Repeat, John is very nice. Pause. He is always happy. Pause. Anna is very friendly. Pause. You are very nice students. John, do you work tomorrow? Anna, yes, I work tomorrow. Maria, I work tomorrow too. Tom, I work tomorrow morning. John, I do not work tomorrow. Anna, lucky you. Practice the negative. Repeat, I work tomorrow. Pause. I do not work tomorrow. Pause. She does not work. Pause. Very clear. Maria, what are you going to do? John, I am going to relax. Tom, that is a good plan. Anna, yes, very good plan. Maria, maybe watch TV? John, yes, and sleep. Use going to for your plans. Repeat, I am going to sleep. Pause. I am going to study. Pause. I am going to eat. Pause. What is your plan for tomorrow? Time to pay. Tom, how much is the coffee? Maria, it is $10. Tom, okay, I pay today. Anna, no, let's split it. Tom, no, it's my treat. Thank you, Tom. Repeat after me, dollar. Pause. The bill, please. Pause. It is my treat. Pause. This means I pay for you. It is a very nice phrase. Tom, let's meet again tomorrow. John, yes. Anna, good idea. Maria, same cafe? Tom, yes, same cafe. John, perfect. Anna, see you tomorrow. Bye. Wow, we learned many words. Let's repeat one last time, cafe. Pause. Friend. Pause. Early. Pause. Work. Pause. Relax. Pause. Treat. Pause. Bill. Pause. You are amazing. Your homework. Write in the comments, I am going to underscore tomorrow. Tell me your plan. I will read every single comment. Do your homework now. For our students in the car, drive safe. Listening is the best way to start your English journey. Thank you for taking us with you today. That is the end of our A1 Masterclass. I am very proud of you. Keep practicing every day. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.